Hello, everybody. This is Antonio of the Digital Mentorship Academy, and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. What we're talking about is how to edit your funnels in systeme.io. I am about to teach you exactly how to edit your funnels in systeme.io. Stick around. Okay, so as you see, we are here on systeme.io. I have about 9 funnels in here. Some of these have not been edited yet. So what I'm about to do is walk you step by step through how you can go ahead and edit your funnels. And as a matter of fact, if you look in the description of this video, you can set up a free account, and I will also give you some sales funnel templates that all you have to do is go in and edit. So let's get started. Let's take a look at this funnel right here, and I'm just gonna kind of walk you through how you can edit this. So as you can see, here are the different stages of this funnel. And I'm not going to edit each one of these, but I am going to show you how you can begin to edit these funnels. So this is the squeeze page. Let's take a look at it. Now, with this squeeze page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you step by step of how we can go ahead and begin editing this. This is an image right here. So what I would do is click on this little arrow. I could either hit select file and come and find me a file that I want to use as my logo. Let's just put a logo in here, as you can see, and I can hit insert. And then it looks a little bit too big. So what I could do right here is kind of scale it down a little bit. All right. Next, I don't need to grab all this information from this form. Let's say I want first name, last name, email address. I don't really need the country. Let's go ahead and edit that. So I don't really want this country field right here. So let's go ahead and remove it. As you can see, I'm about to remove that. Now, this is a good form. This is okay. I could just go ahead. What I'm going to do to edit this is I am going to come in, highlight it, and just type in, let's see, how to make more money from home. That's just to show you how it's done. You could come in up under it, highlight this, and begin editing these words. If you want to stick a video in here, what you would do is, let me grab a video and I'll show you exactly how it's done. I will come over to Vimeo and grab one of my videos. I like to put the entire code in from my video, like the HTML. I like to put the HTML. So I'm going to grab the entire like long form code and put it in this code right here. I'm going to grab that code, come back over, and I'm going to click here, hit custom embed, because I like to embed my videos in the form. Click right here, paste that embed in there, click save. And as you can see, there is my video. All right. And to edit this section, you do the exact same thing that you've been doing in the up here. So come down, I can edit this, real simple and easy. If I wanted to change this picture, I would click here, click this little cog right here, come down to here, come over to my images, click my image that I want to put in there, click insert, and boom, it's there. Very simple, very easy. Let's move on. I can change my words, just the same way that we have been. put these videos in here the same way that we have been. Like these would be probably like testimonials. I could put testimonial videos in here, put their names, change the words around, come down here, edit this form. Like we said before, we don't need this country field. Click that, edit that form. And as you can see, I could come here and even edit the URL for this Facebook symbol. So if anybody clicks on this symbol, it will take them to wherever I want them to go, whether that's a Facebook group, a Facebook page, wherever I want them to go. So I will be able to, I could put the URL right in here. Next, you always want to save your changes. Save changes just in case something happens. You don't want to lose your work. So I would save my changes here, leave out. When I'm finished with this page, I would click this arrow and leave. And then I would move on to my next step. Here's my next step. This is the opt-in thank you page. Click on this little magic wand here to edit the page. And so on. So like this, it's the same thing. You will want to change your logo, change your wording, change your video, change these videos, change your wording, just however you want your page to look. When I got through with that, click here, move to the next step in my funnel. Now, if you don't want a step, if you want to remove a step, you can also remove a step. Let me show you how you can do that. Come over here. As you can see, there's a little trash can right here. You can remove this step from there. Let's go take a look at this order form step. Here is the order form. With systeme.io, you can collect payment. So you can use this order form. Just, come in here and start to edit. You can edit. All right. Next, the thank you page. If you don't want this step, you can remove it. It's very simple, very easy. Just come in here and edit like I just told you, and everything will be okay. Now, another thing that you can do is add automation rules. As you can see, I can add a trigger. Where do I want my funnel, my automation rule to start? I can put the details in here. That'll be for another video. I can A/B test pages. I can A/B test. Here I can find the stats to my funnel. Here I can find the stats and how many sales this funnel has made. I can set a deadline for this funnel. So this funnel will expire. If I set it, this funnel will expire at the time that I set. And I can also find out how many leads this funnel has generated. So listen, this is Antonio. Go ahead, look in the description of this video. You will find a link so that you can get signed up with systeme.io. You're also going to get a couple of different funnels from me as a bonus so that you could just go in, edit those, and get up and running ASAP. So listen, this is Antonio of the Digital Mentorship Academy. I thank you for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.